Any more little tiny boxes in there? Are they out of their mind? Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I have December's Ipsy Glam Bag. Please let there be a card. Please let there be a card. Please, I don't know if there's a card, but let's take out the bag. Ooh, how pretty. Oh, that is extremely Christmassy. I think last year's one wasn't very Christmassy, but this is beautiful. It's a pink sateen, and this looks more like a satin, and it just has a beautiful feel to it, and it just has a regular Ipsy pull, but I'm going to be keeping this one because it's so pretty. Let's see if they have the information on the card. You know, let's go through the outside of the bag first. Didn't I just get this in something else? I know I got this in something else, and I don't remember. But anyway, this is the Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen from e.l.f. 35 SPF. Did I even try this yet, or did I have it like in a... I have it in another one that I was going to do a try-on with, and I didn't do it today because it's 5:19 at night and I didn't need to put on sunscreen. If you guys know if this works good under makeup, please let me know. I think this one is $9 and it's a full size, so okay. I couldn't have done an add-on, could I? No. But these are the Evio, not Evio. Is it Evio? Evio Skin, the under eye patches. You get 3 of them. I do like them. They do stay in place, and honestly, they did a nice job of depuffing and hydrating. So if you're interested, these are pretty good. Okay, somehow, some way, I did an add-on. This is from Tarte. It's the Amazonian Clay. What is it, though? It's a blush. And it's in Blushing Bride. Aw, could this be one that's for sale? If not, if not, I like that they put it in this. I have Tarte blushes. I like Tarte blushes. This looks like a very natural and neutral for me. Beautiful texture. Yeah, this is pretty light, I'd say, even for my skin tone. It's a little of a dusty rose. I'm going to have to do a try-on with this, or maybe just try it on and, well, remember I don't like to do that for work, just saying, but a blush isn't too bad, so just saying, but I'm going to have to get back to you on this, obviously. Okay. Look, another little baby box. What is it with the baby boxes today? This is Dream. I can't see a blessed thing. Hold the thought. Sure, Leann. Let's use some dirty glasses to try to help you read. Oh boy. No, I'm not reading that yet. I am reading this though. Who is this by? Ooh, Toy Factory. I have their concealer, which if it was the right color for me, I would actually love it. I don't own a lot of things from Toy Factory. And what is this though? The Serum Palette, Hyaluronic Acid, and Niacinamide. But what are you? It says Dream Set Mini, and it's sealed, which is a good thing, but I still don't know what it is. Is it a powder? Oh my goodness gracious, would you look at this? The cuteness. Obviously, it's not a setting powder. It's sparkly. It's ambitious, but it still doesn't tell me what it is. Is it an eyeshadow? Is it a highlighter? Could it be both? It has the little TF embossing on there. It is gorgeous. Look how pretty. Do I want to try it on? Here, wait. Oh, this is so funny. This is actually what I was hoping to get with my other makeup try-on. I didn't achieve that. What if it's supposed to be a shadow? Does it matter? But isn't it frustrating that they didn't tell me, you know, I'm going to try it on as a shadow too. Right in the center. I think that's really pretty. Of course I use my middle finger. I think it's really pretty. What do you guys think? I don't know what it is, but I like it. Any more little tiny boxes in there? This is Marc Anthony Strictly Curls It's not closing, and I'm going to show you why. I don't remember if I like this or not. I think I've tried it. I'm going to give it a try again. This is a generous size. It's 50 milliliters, or not 0.17, but 17 ounces. No, that's not 17 ounces. It is 1.7 ounces. Now, you want to laugh hysterically. It is sealed, which is fabulous. I don't know if you can see this close up. If not, I'm going to take a picture and insert it. This is supposed to be a hole for the styling cream to come out, and instead it's a nubby. It's not a hole. Obviously, I can stick something in there and poke it through, but why that's so funny to me, I have no idea. This is interesting. Look at the green. It's like mossy. It is the All Moringa moisturizing cream. I've never heard of All Moringa, but I like the word moringa. I'm giddy today. Again, it says moisturizer cream, and then it says face. So there must be one that says body. Yeah, it is, and I do have quite a bit open. I will be curious to see if it's green, because that would be very interesting if it was green like this. Okay. I do really like my bag. My question is answered. This is the Toy Factory Dream Set Highlighter in Bish. It doesn't say highlighter anywhere on here. If it does, and I am cuckoo, please tell me that I am nuts in the comments. It says smooth onto your cheekbones. I get that. Brow bone. I get that. Then it says, I'm sorry, put it on your Cupid's arrow. It's called a Cupid's bone. I'm dying over here. It's a Cupid's bow. I guess a bow and an arrow. No, they're two separate things. Stop. Oh, these things are amusing me way too much. Oh, this is a deluxe size sample, 0.07 ounces or 2 grams of product. The full size is 10 grams, so obviously 5 times the size of it, and it's $42. Personally speaking, I would love all highlighters to be the size because I don't use a lot, and that would make me feel confident that I could actually go through it, especially if I was using it as an eyeshadow, etc. It's basically like $8, which is nice. The Marc Anthony, the full-size product is $10, and that's 227 milliliters. By the way, that was called the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Define and Hold Flex Gel, in case you're wondering. This, again, is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Blushing Bride. I can't wait to see how this will look on my skin tone. This is a deluxe sample, which is so freaking cute. I love that they put it in a box. This is 1 gram of product, and the full size of 3.6 grams of product, and $30. So this is basically a little less than a third. So again, this is almost $10 in itself. The All Moringa, I'm sorry, I had to say it again, the moisturizing face cream. They say it's jasmine scented. Do I like, jasmine floral?
Jasmine has a complex, rich, and sweet floral scent with hints of fruit and spice. It's often described as intoxicating, sensual, and exotic.
That is way more than I needed to know. And holy shnikes, obviously this is a deluxe sample. The 50 millimeter size is $89. This is 20 mils. This is a lot. And the last thing, where are you? Here you go. From e.l.f., the Sun Touchable Invisible SPF. It's 35. They also say that it's a makeup gripping primer. They say to spread a pearl-sized amount onto your face. Are they out of their mind? A pearl size amount is not going to do anything as far as an SPF. This is a full size, and it's worth $14, which is a lot for e.l.f. What is happening with their prices? Okay, I don't even have any question. I love my bag. I think it's valuable. I think I got the perfect size of these products for me. Great variety of products, a new brand for me to try. Absolutely amazing. And for the third time, they're going to say amazing. You guys are amazingly wonderful. I'm so incredibly grateful for you. Anyway, I'm talking too much. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.